Hello po, ako po si Ashley Nolviga and maraming salamat po to the 7th VP Choice Awards and Village People Magazine for these awards.
Hi everyone, this is Andres Mulak and I'd like to thank the 7th VP Choice Awards.
I'm so grateful to win People Face of the Year, TV Actress of the Year, and TV Series of the Year for Ang Matianang Section E, and of course, Love Team of the Year for Ash Dress.
It's an honor to be receiving TV Actor of the Year and TV Series of the Year for Ang Matianang Section E and Love Team of the Year together with Ashley Nolviga. So thank you so much for all the love and the support, and just know that I'm really grateful over here. And of course, to everyone that participated in the voting, thank you very much and I love you all and God bless.
Grabe, sobrang nakakataba po ng puso. Maraming salamat po. And of course, thank you po sa mga supporters po namin na nag-vote po